Welcome to JB Kind Doors. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm James Cadman, and I'd like to take you on a tour of our modern warehousing facilities and give you an insight into our nationwide distribution service. But first, a little of how we started as a business more than 150 years ago. Founded in 1870 by John Blower Kind, we've always been timber trade specialists. Initially as timber merchants, then manufacturers of beer crates and also ammunition boxes during both World Wars. Our product offering has always evolved and moved with the times, and as forklift trucks became prominent in the 60s, we diversified and began manufacturing timber pallets. JB Kind's Door Distribution division began in 1983, and our new innovative approach towards door design took the market by storm. Now, after more than 40 years, JB Kind is solely a door distributor, and I am pleased to say one of the most well-regarded door suppliers in the UK. Today, we offer more than 200 door designs and sell many thousands of doors every year through our strong network of builders merchants, door retailers, and online partners. JB Kind doors are specified for housing and apartment developments, both large and small, and you will also find our doors fitted on self-build projects and house renovations across the country. We hold approximately 60,000 doors in our purpose-built warehouse located in South Derbyshire. JB Kind's doors are ethically sourced from the UK and around the world, and as they arrive at our distribution centre, they are checked and stored carefully, ready for the next stage of their journey. Orders come into our sales office via our large network of national and independent merchants, door retailers and internet trading partners. Our friendly team process the orders and confirm the anticipated delivery date. We pride ourselves in a quick turnaround, and for stock items the next stage is almost immediate. Our warehouse team pick the orders and carefully prepare them for delivery. For bespoke doors, for example special sizes or tailor-made designs, and security enhanced apartment entrance doors, a lead time is confirmed when the order is placed. Our in-house joinery workshop glazes fully certificated fire doors to order and can offer a quick turnaround if required. Caring for and ensuring our doors are delivered in good condition is important to us at JB Kind. That is why we have our own fleet of lorries and all drivers employed directly by the company. We deliver to all parts of the UK at least once a week. On the occasion we cannot use one of our own dedicated fleet, we use one of our carefully selected third-party transport partners. We deliver direct to our merchants' own premises and, if required on site, to housing or self-build developments. Even at this stage, we like to make sure that everything is in order and always make sure that goods are carefully checked before we depart. From order to delivery, we want to ensure our customers receive the best possible service. Details of our merchant, door retailer and internet trading partners can be found on our website at jbkind.com.